Are you looking to optimize your sales pipeline in TeamGate CRM? In this quick video, we'll go over some effective ways you can do just that, plus explore a few tips to help you decide if TeamGate CRM is the right choice for your business. Stick with me till the end for an exclusive offer, and I'll share a few alternatives that may be better suited for your goals. First up, optimizing your sales pipeline in TeamGate starts with setting up your stages clearly. TeamGate offers a straightforward pipeline structure, but you need to customize it to match your sales process. Be sure to define key stages like lead qualification, negotiation, and closing. Once these are set up, you can track progress at every step and identify where things might be stalling. Next, using TeamGate's contact management features is crucial. By consolidating all your contacts in one place, you can ensure your sales team has all the information they need to close deals faster. With detailed activity logs and notes, you can avoid miscommunications and stay on top of each lead status. The third thing that can make a huge difference is TeamGate's reporting features. To really optimize your pipeline, you need data. With TeamGate, you can easily track your team's performance with sales forecasts and custom reports. This lets you see which team members need support and where deals are falling through, helping you make data-driven decisions to improve your pipeline. Another useful feature is TeamGate's email tracking and automation. You can schedule follow-ups and receive notifications when a prospect opens your email, so you know the exact moment to follow up. Automating tasks and reminders can also free up time for your sales team to focus on closing deals rather than managing mundane tasks. But the fifth thing is important: integrating TeamGate CRM with your other tools. TeamGate integrates well with several platforms, including Google Apps, Outlook, and even accounting tools. This keeps all your operations connected, preventing the need for manually transferring data between apps. Lastly, TeamGate CRM offers mobile access, which means your sales team can update the pipeline and track progress from anywhere, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Now, while TeamGate CRM does offer all these great features, it's important to note that not everyone may find it fits perfectly for their business. For some, it can feel a bit too simple, and advanced features like predictive analytics might be lacking. If you're looking for something that scales with a more complex sales process, you might want to consider alternatives. And here's where I need to be honest. There are other CRM systems that could potentially offer better tools for pipeline management, especially if you're looking for more customization and automation. I'll share some of those options, including a competitor that I think offers a better fit for your needs at the end of the video. To wrap it up, if you decide TeamGate is the right choice for you, we've got an exclusive and extended free trial through our link. Plus, you'll unlock some special benefits that are only available to our viewers. But remember, we've also included some great alternatives that come with their own free trials. Check out the link in the description, and you'll get the best offer available for your sales pipeline optimization goals. Thanks for watching.